How to fix Snapchat camera flash issues on iPhone and Android. Firstly, clear cache for the app Snapchat. To do that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Snapchat, launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app again. Then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, launch your Snapchat. Within Snapchat as well, you're gonna find the option of clear cache. So navigate to your profile page, click on the settings icon, then scroll down. Head over to the option clear data. From these options, select the option clear cache. Click on clear. With that, your Snapchat will restart. Next, log out and log in back to your Snapchat. So launch it, navigate to your profile page, click on the settings icon and scroll all the way down. Click on log out. Click on log out again. Once you log out of your account, again log in back. This might fix your issue. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete Snapchat from your device. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Snapchat camera flash issues. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.